In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a family account in Cash App. Open Cash App on your device and tap on the settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Within the settings menu, locate and tap on Family Accounts. Family accounts enable users aged 13 and above to deposit money, spend it using a debit card, and exchange money with friends and family. The sponsor, usually a parent or guardian, can monitor account activity and manage the cash card. Additionally, there's an option to invest in stocks of favorite companies and Bitcoin for as little as $1. If you're a teen, select the option indicating your age group, 13 or older. Enter your legal name and date of birth as required, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Alternatively, if you're a sponsor, you can invite a teen to join your family account directly from the app, provide the required information, and proceed with the instructions to send invitation. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.